Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yurida Ma'rifatul Trisna and now I will explain about preposition and conjunction. Description of preposition. Preposition are words used in front of noun or pronoun. Noun or pronoun as object. Preposisi adalah kata depan yang biasanya ada di depan kata benda atau pronoun. For example, he likes listening to music. To adalah preposisi dan musik adalah noun. Number 2, let's wait for her to come. For adalah preposisi dan her adalah pronoun. The type of preposition. Number 1, preposition of time. Number 2, preposition of place. Number 3, preposition of movement. Number 4, preposition of agent. And the last, preposition of instrument. The first, preposition of time. Preposition of time is preposition used to indicate time, atau kata depan yang digunakan untuk menunjukkan waktu, such as on, in, at, before, since, and other. For example, we want to buy a book on Wednesday. Kita ingin membeli buku besok Rabu. Preposition of time in here is on Wednesday. And the second, preposition of place. Preposition used to indicate a place position, atau kata depan yang digunakan untuk menunjukkan tempat, such as under, beside, inside, in front of, behind, and other. For example, Iqbal is standing in front of Acha. Iqbal berdiri di depan Acha. The preposition of place in here is front. Number 2, we learn preposition material on YouTube. Kita mempelajari materi preposisi di YouTube. The preposition of place in here is on. Number 3, preposition of movement. Preposition that indicate direction or movement, atau kata depan yang digunakan untuk menunjukkan arah, such as out, into, around, past, down, and other. For example, number 1, the student come into the class. Murid itu masuk ke dalam kelas. The preposition of movement in here is into. Number 2, we never know the inside of someone hurt. Kita tidak pernah tahu dalam hatinya seseorang. The preposition of movement in here is inside. Number 4, preposition of agent. The preposition of agent for connect agent with action, which include the preposition of agent is by, atau kata depan yang digunakan untuk menunjukkan sesuatu yang terjadi. For example, the song is sung by my brother. Lagu itu dinyanyikan oleh kakakku. The preposition of agent in here is by. Number 2, the cake has been eaten by my sister. Kuenya telah dimakan oleh adikku. And the preposition of agent in here is by. And the last, preposition of instrument. Instrument preposition indicate action with the tool or instrument used by the subject, atau kata depan yang digunakan untuk mengetahui sebabnya sesuatu, such as with, or by, and with the help of another. For example, number 1, he went to his grandmother's house by bus. Dia pergi ke rumah neneknya dengan bus. The preposition of instrument in here is by. Number 2, she took the powder milk with a spoon. Dia mengambil susu bubuk dengan sendok. The preposition of instrument in here is with. Conjunction. Description of conjunction. A conjunction is a part of speech that is used to connect words, phrases, clauses, or sentence. Atau konjungsi adalah kata sambung atau kata untuk menghubungkan kata, frasa, atau kalimat, such as but, and, for, so, another. For example, Lisa and Ken will visit their grandmother next week. Lisa dan Ken akan mengunjungi neneknya minggu depan. The conjunction in here is and, atau and adalah sebagai penghubung antara Lisa dan Ken. The type of conjunction. Number 1, coordinating conjunction. Number 2, correlative conjunction. And the last, subordinating conjunction. The first, coordinating conjunction. Conjunction that connect of equivalent sentence, namely one sentence that does not depend on other sentence, atau kata penghubung yang menghubungkan kalimat-kalimat yang setara atau sederajat, such as for, and, nor, but, yet, and so. For example, this material is for you. Materi ini untuk kamu. The coordinating conjunction in here is for. Number 2, do you like coffee or tea? Apakah kamu suka kopi atau teh? The coordinating conjunction in here is or. Number 2, correlative conjunction or parallel conjunction. So in a sentence, there are two conjunctions in it that connect word with word, sentence with sentence, and clauses with clauses. Atau kata sambung yang bersifat paralel, semisal menyambungkan kata dengan kata, kalimat dengan kalimat, dan klausa dengan klausa. For example, not only blah blah blah, but also blah blah blah. Number 2, the more blah blah blah, the more blah blah blah. For example, number 1, life is not only for today, but also tomorrow. Hidup bukan cuma untuk hari ini, tapi juga untuk besok. The correlative conjunction in here is not only blah blah blah, but also blah blah blah. And the last, subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction that connect the main sentence with the subordinate clause. In conjunction, the main sentence can stand alone and does not depend on the subordinate clause. Meanwhile, the clause cannot stand alone without the main clause and must depend on the main clause. Atau kata sambung yang menghubungkan kalimat pokok dengan anak kalimat dan tidak bisa berdiri sendiri. Anak kalimat atau kalimat kedua pasti membutuhkan induk kalimat atau kalimat pertama, such as while, where, before, after, then, since, because, how, and other. For example, number 1, I will follow you wherever you go. Aku akan mengikutimu kemanapun kamu pergi. The subordinating conjunction in here is wherever. Number 2, you must to have a breakfast before going to school. Kamu harus sarapan dulu sebelum berangkat ke sekolah. The subordinating conjunction in here is before. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.